What's going on? It's been a minute, but I wanted to give you guys an update on the F-150. So, as you can see, it's gone through some pretty dramatic changes, but I really like the way it came out. Got a little side view here. Let me see. I'm out here. Around the front. Back here, you got the tail lights. So, real quick, give you a little rundown of what I did. So, if you watched my previous video, you can see I have the Raptor style grille. I put on the Morimoto blacked out headlights with the LED running lights. I have a stock Raptor bumper off of 2015, 2017. I added the little bull bars. I have the skid plate underneath there, which you can see that was a bit of some modifying to get that on there. I have some XD Holeshot 17-inch wheels on 33-inch Nitto ridge grapplers. I have a fender flare here. It's called Paramount was the brand. I got on Amazon, which as of right now you can't even find it anymore. But I think it matches up nice. Gives it like a nice flush look, and it has a little LED light here. Because yeah, the tires stick out pretty far. One with aggressive offset on the rims, and then I have the Morimoto tail lights with a nice mirror effect there. Oh, and also the Raptor stock bumper, which I still have to do the exhaust. Haven't done yet. But anyway, that is pretty much it for what I've done. But I did about all this for, shoot, I don't even know the amount. Let me see. Raptor bumper, $150. Skid plate, $100. The rear bumper, $100. The headlights were a little bit more. I got them on what's the website? Retrofit source, something like that. Retrofitsource.com. I got like a Black Friday 25% off, but they were a little pricey. The tail lights I got Black Friday as well. They were like $500 retail. The fender flares were like 150 bucks only. The wheel and tire combo was a little more expensive, so I can't remember exactly, but I think I got some of it on Tire Rack. Also, I got the tires from a local place, but I got the wheels on Tire Rack. And also too, I put a spacer kit. I think Mammoth. I got it from AmericanTrucks.com. A Mammoth 2.25 inch level kit, which I'm looking at actually right now. Rancho just came out with some struts for the front for the two-wheel drive, because it is a two-wheel drive truck. I live in Miami. I don't really go off-road. Spent $36 on the truck. It's an STX, $36 out the door. So really, with all this, I mean, I would say if you want to conservatively say, you know, $3,000 I put into it, and you get this look versus, you know, spending 60 plus grand on a brand new Raptor. But if you like you know, off-roading a lot, that's up to you. I like it too, but I'm not gonna spend that much money. And again, I live in Miami, so I'm not going off-road. But this is what I got. So if you're interested, I can maybe do some videos on how to install these parts, a little more in depth on certain ones. So let me know if you're interested. All right, take care, have a good one.